What's going on, everybody? This is the cabinet here I got in my truck. International T. Got my chair out. Now this cabinet, I need more room. All right, this, make sure you got this closed or locked or whatever. Anyways, this is simple and easy. You got 4 bolts right there. You got 2 in here at the bottom. 1 there, 1 there. Takes 10 millimeter. Undo this and loose. There's 2 bolts in here. Loose this 10 millimeter, and believe me, that's it. All right, let's see. Am I right or wrong? Yep. I know I'm right. If I'm, yeah, that's right. See, there's a piece of metal at the back. I know that. But once you take it, you see that what I was talking about? It's sharp, guys. Be careful. It goes underneath here to mount in there. But yeah, that's it. Trying to have more room in my truck, guys. You know, it's better when you got room, right? All right, and that's how. Now for these holes, what I would do, I put the bolts back in there, you know. Keep the holes, put the bolts in there, tighten them. And this, either I covered because might touch or something, or either, you know, I just cut it. That's what I would do. I get the bolts. Don't want to forget, you know. Just put them here. 1, 2. Later on, just try to, if you got corrosion like this, I would say just spray it, you know. Spray it, and you should be good to go. Yeah, these are very, very old and it's junk. You can tighten it if you want. There you go. Sometimes they give you a headache. You know what I'm talking about. All right, these 2 bolts might be useful. Just save them. Right, what I'm gonna do here. If you see, I took the chair and took everything. So I suggest before you mount these back, you know, spray some WD-40 in there, you know. Put your bolt back, so it's gonna protect and take off the corrosion, you know. Yeah, if you, I'm gonna put everywhere. See those? Yeah, that's how. Well, we need a bigger bolt here. $13. Remember, those are the longest screw. There you go. Back there. Back. It should be good now. Alright, let's see this one. Right. This one I need Hex 50. That's all. These screws are bad. I don't know what happened here. But yeah. Well, we finished from this. Just place them all back. You know. Tied them. Easy. See, it's not going inside because of all that corrosion, but now it loosened up, you know. $13. That's what I do. 10 here. All right, guys. That's what I would do. And I got my insulation. Put it somewhere here. I'll cut pieces. I'll put in there. I'll show you. All right, this is my insulation, guys. I have this for years now in the house. Say duct insulation. This is how it looks in the roll. I will cut few same size here and fill it up with this insulation, and same thing here. I'll measure it now. I will cut them with the scissor and then I will install them. I will show you guys. Before you start installing anything here, you better clean all the junk if you have some there. Yeah, make the place clean and then put your insulation. Like you see, I got junk in here. This is my, see? The best vacuum cleaner, guys. Don't waste your money. This is the Dyson. You know. Yeah. Clean good, guys. This is like your home. You know what I'm saying? Some people, they don't know how to clean. I remember my trainer. Oh my God. His bed, the top bunk and the lower bunk, they all smell pee, guys. And the mattress he was laying on, it's like I don't know how many years, maybe 5 years. It doesn't call really mattress. It's gone and it smells all pee. Yeah, some people are sick, guys. All right, that's the process. Just keep cleaning. And once you're ready, clean, wipe. All right, this is what I do, guys. I get a piece like that, then bring here, cut that. And now I see what I need to do. Just cut it nice, and then make it even to this hole. Put like 3 layers till you fill it up. That's how you cover it. I'll show you once I finish. That's the first layer, you see? Yeah, simple, easy, guys. Do here, these round ones, so it don't get hard when you step there or something, you know. And it's insulation. Don't let the air come inside or you hear noises. And last, this is how it looks. See, it's covered, looking nice, insulated, and done. All right, everybody. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.